I've never attended a trustees meeting, but it's normal for the department to conduct elections for self-help groups and community-based organizations.
Was there an invitation for you to attend the meeting?
I wasn't in attendance, that's why the invitation was. I didn't receive any invitation.
You never received any invitation. Are you aware how your name came into the minutes?
I can't tell because it was the first time I was in.
There were indications that you were supposed to supervise elections. Kindly confirm to the court whether you did so, and it was elections regarding what? In respect to the minutes you are holding on page 2.
I didn't participate in the elections.
You didn't participate in any election. So,
Mr. Joshua Lele and Mesha Krono, our colleagues, it was normal for us to.
in what capacities? What were their capacities? If you can recall.
Mesha Krono is the deputy director revolving fund.
Is it before this court?
Yes.
Where is he?
I've seen him there.
Yes, where?
He's seated in the first.
There are 3 of them.
The one seated on the
There are 1, 2, 3. Which one?
one.
1. Were you aware whether there was any trust fund within the county government of Uasin Gishu?
I wasn't aware.
You're not aware.
When I left the DCI office, that is when I heard that there was a trust fund account with that effect.
So it was a trust fund in respect to what? In your opinion?
I didn't know the details.
You didn't know the details. Yes.
Everyone has testified today that they know of minutes of, they know of these minutes, the impugned minutes that you're saying your name was included, you're not there. Remember the minutes you have just mentioned right now?
Yes.
Everybody learned, the ones who have testified of it, at least as of 3rd of October 2022. In your testimony, you said you learned of it on 11th August 2023.
Yeah.
Are you being candid with court that for almost a year, you never knew there were minutes moving around with your name in it?
Yeah, I'm truthful.
You're truthful.
Yeah.
At what point did you learn of this issue or this program, the overseas program? When?
I can't remember the dates.
Okay, which year?
I can't be specific about the year.
Oh, come on. I want you to be honest. I want you to remember you're on oath. You can't say you can't remember the year. I may forgive you for a month and the date, but the year? No.
I told you earlier to give that the
Did
department.
you know about it this year, 2024?
No.
Did you know about it 2023?
No.
Did you know about it 2022?
Thereabout.
2022. What was so hard in saying that? Have you in any way, directly or indirectly benefited from this program?
Yes.
You've benefited. In what way?
My son was one of the successful applicants.
Okay. As we speak, where is Ian Kito?
He's at Tampere University.
Tampere University. And in fact, even the program assisted him in applying for his visa.
Yes.
And if you may remember, he even was unsuccessful in his first attempt to get the visa, and a reapplication was done by the same program. Remember that?
Yes.
And you were successful after the second try. True or not true?
True.
Are you aware that your son and yourself have been sued by the trust? in Eldoret. Are you aware that you have been sued by the trust for failure to pay Kenya shillings 166,121 shillings?
I'm not aware.
By the High Court of Eldoret, E006 of 2021?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware. Have you paid all the school fees either to the school or to the trust in full?
Yeah, I paid when he was leaving.
When he was leaving. How much was the school fees?
Around between 1.2 and 1.5.
Where you pay the school fees to which account?
The first was paid by my wife to an account at KCB.
To which account?
They paid to KCB Eldoret East.
Yes, that is the bank. I'm saying the account name.
I don't remember that because I didn't get the slip pay.
You didn't get a slip.
Yes.
So you gave your wife money pay and then you just said,
yeah,
I trust her. So you don't even know whether she paid or she didn't pay.
I'm sure she paid.
You're sure? Do you have anything to show that she paid?
It was based on trust.
Trust. Yes. Trust.
There is a balance that I paid to Standard Bank.
Standard Bank. So how much money did your wife pay?
I can't remember exactly.
Okay. Standard Bank, you paid in Standard Bank to which account? Account name?
Max. It was a Max something.
Max Global.
Yeah, Max Global.
Okay. So will you be shocked to learn that there's a case facing you in Eldoret? Will it surprise you to learn that among other 257 people, you are the last defendant to be sued in Eldoret?
For what reasons?
For failure to pay part of the school fees to the trust.
I'm not aware.
I'm not aware. So having sent your son to Finland, you then agreed that the program was actually a good program.
Yeah, the program
Is
was...
that a trick question?
Yeah, man.
It was a good program,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes.
Are you aware that these trustees, some of the trustees, not all of them, traveled to Finland at some point before the program commenced?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware. The minutes of 23rd of April 2021, you've had a look at it, isn't it?
Yes.
You've been shown. Does it indicate that the first, second, or third accused person signed it?
No.
Doesn't indicate. You don't know further questions.
And did you know that you're coming to testify this morning about that program?
I didn't know.
You didn't know?
Yeah.
What were you coming to do in this court this morning?
I
You
was-
didn't know.
I knew
So you
about,
didn't know why you were in court this morning.
I knew about the minutes. Nothing beyond there.
What were the minutes about?
That I was in attendance.
When did you learn about this program yourself?
When there was an advert
Where was the advert placed?
in one of the dailies.
Which days?
Either the Standard newspapers or the Nation.
I want you to confirm that as an employee of was issue, the current county government run by the current government, the program is still going on. And even after the takeover, some students still proceeded to Finland. You can confirm that?
So just hearsay to me. Your Honor.
Have you heard about it?
I've heard.
You've heard about it.
Heard that?
You've heard that students continued going
No.
even after the new administration took office.
No.
I want to put it to you that you have been specifically pushed to come and testify against these officers by some individuals within the county government. Now, you've been sent specifically. And that is why you're pretending you know some things and you don't know others. Especially when it relates to your personal interest, you pretend not to know. Am I correct to assume so? And put it to you?
You are not correct.